Hello, just bring you back. Just thought I'd do a quick video. Nothing new, no change with me health-wise yet. But the garden's coming to life, and so it's going to be another gratuitous garden video. As soon as I got my phone camera out, the wind's picked up, so I'm trying recording with my earpiece thing, see if it helps. So not a lot going on. I've just moved a few things around as per normal. Every year things get too big and have to repot them. And this is the sort of time of year we'll find out what's lived and what's died in these baskets. Ivy went very brown a couple of times over winter when it was icy or snowing. I would actually put all the hanging baskets in the greenhouse. This dwarf conifer, just about, I don't know, that's going to be 50-50, that one. These are just left out all winter. I've just had a little move around. Some of these are from inside the house, these cactuses and things. Bit of repotting, but the Japanese maple is just literally this week, leaves coming out, and this clematis. Anyway, yeah, there's not a lot of change from last summer. Had a really good clear out in the greenhouse that we don't use as a greenhouse, use it more as a potting shed and storage for stuff. But at least I can come in here and repot things. You can see there's a great big space for a cat, so I have to leave the door open. Moved a few things from here. I'll probably get another storage thing there somewhere, just for the swimming, paddling pool stuff that's in my little shed. My new shed roof that I put on, was it 2 years ago, 18 months ago, survived the winter rain. It seems to be all dry and nice inside there, which is good. This is all just the same, no change. Apart from the edges, I don't have a strimmer anymore. I used to just run a little strip of weed killer down the edges, but I haven't done it this year. I don't have a strimmer, so an edging thing, I'll figure that one out. Yeah, it's all much the same as usual, and the hazel bushes are just starting to come back to life, the leaves. Hope it's not too windy. It's very blowy all of a sudden. Yeah, this little corner, much the same. Need to get a few more bird feeder things for this. I keep moving this up and down the garden. Yeah, we've got a few bird feed things going on, sunflower seeds, usual. And yeah, down this end it's just the same as it ever was. I ran out of chipped bark. Had a couple of bags of mulch, but yeah, we're going to get some more chipped bark just to finish this off where all the waifs and strays live. But they seem to have done all right over the winter. Seem to be okay. And this is just same as usual, no change down here. One of the neighbours' cats on my compost. Yeah, so I've not even bothered mowing down here at the moment. I've just got, like, you might be able to see a little path down to the compost. This lot has just all collapsed over the winter, but it's all bramble and stinging nettles, and in about a month's time it will just be a green barrier. So I'm not fussed. It would be a massive job to rip all this out and put fencing in, and I don't see the point. It's just a nature's barrier. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. Nothing new. I'm just waiting for my next neurologist appointment. Should have been in January, but unfortunately all the blood tests I had done in November, my GP's surgery sent the wrong blood test results to the neurologist. They sent my normal yearly MOT blood test, not all the ones that had been requested by the neurologist specifically for my ailment. So I've every month for 4 months I've been ringing up the GP, and I think I finally got somebody about a week ago to send the proper results. So yeah, hopefully sometime soon I'll get another neurology appointment. Anyway, it's blowing a blooming gale now, even though it's a nice sunny day. So I'll leave you to it. Peace and love. I've been Springy. Just a little catch up. Hope everybody's well. See you soon.